Are you one unexpected bill away from financial disaster? It's a question many of us dread, yet it's crucial to confront. Without a safety net, life's surprises can swiftly lead to financial instability. Imagine this: your car breaks down or a sudden medical expense arises. How do you cope without plunging into debt? This is where an emergency fund becomes your financial hero. An emergency fund isn't just a buffer, it's peace of mind. It shields you from turning to high-interest loans or credit cards when the unexpected strikes. By setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account, you're not just preparing for emergencies, you're securing your financial future. But don't let those numbers intimidate you. Everyone starts somewhere. Even $500 can be a game changer, preventing a minor setback from becoming a major financial crisis. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your fund grow. Ready to secure your future? Hit subscribe for more tips.